Hello everyone, welcome back to Helen's Study Corner. So today we are going to learn sight words. So shall we start? So, S-O, so, so, it, I-T, it, it, he, H-E, he, am, A-M, am, am, an, A-N, an, an, me, M-E, me, me, we, W-E, we, see, S-E-E, see, her, H-E-R, her, can, C-A-N, can, big, B-I-G, big, she, S-H-E, she, you, Y-O-U, you, like, L-I-K-E, like, here, H-E-R-E, here, they, T-H-E-Y, they, your, Y-O-U-R, your, play, P-L-A-Y, play, with, W-I-T-H, with, this, T-H-I-S, this, dot, T-H-A-T, dot, look, L-O-O-K, look, some, S-O-M-E, some, little, L-I-T-T-L-E, little. So now shall we see a short recap of all the sight words that we learned? So, see, she, big, your, this, look, like, with, am, that, he, her, you, can, it, play, little, some, they, we, and me, here. So thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Take care and bye-bye.